you guys and welcome to my channel. Welcome to a Confessions of a Paper Addict Cutfiles design team layout. I have Floral Cluster 7 cut file released in July, just a couple days ago, well, a month ago. I have that, and I have this beautiful collection called All About a Girl from Echo Park. I already played with it a little bit, but I wanted to play with it some more, and I have a photo of one random pumpkin blossom in my yard from, I think it was last year, 2020, I'm a liar, from 2020. It ended up actually not producing anything, but we were super excited because that was randomly in there. And we were hoping for pumpkins. So I was going to document this. I plan on cutting this into a circle. So that is going to be happening. I'm going to back this cut file with this purple. I didn't get any papers that are yellow, but I think I'm going to find a yellow for the center of my flowers. I'm going to use the green for the green leaves, and I'm going to use this blue for these blue areas. And I've got this beautiful pattern paper from the collection, some white cardstock so far. And I have a plan. I've created some sketches for myself, so I'm going to try one out. I'm not going to show you the sketch, but I'm going to try one out and see how it goes. I just got my new stencil from Scrapping Reflections Stencil Club, so I think I'm going to also do that. So I've picked out 3 colors from this. I've picked out Worn Lipstick, Dusty Concord, and Evergreen Bough to kind of, I'm going to make a pattern with those colors with this stencil. I haven't decided what colors I'm going to use where yet. I think I'm going to get out my little, I might be able to use a smaller one. I'm going to use this, and then I got to use a tiny brush for the other parts. But I am excited and want to play with this stencil. I might have to get out some more colors because it looks like there's some more shapes maybe that I need. Oh, these are just the partial rectangles. That's what's happening. So I've got squares, I've got rectangles going horizontally, and I've got rectangles going vertically that I'm going to, those are the 3 colors I'm going to use and do for those 3 colors. So I'm going to do some blending right here. It's going to just do a line. Where's a pencil? There we go. That's not a pencil I can use. That has no lead. There's my pencil. I was just going to so I know I don't have to go past that point for my ink blending. So let me get my cut file backed. I'm going to get some ink blending done on the bottom of my page here, and then we'll start assembling. So let's get started. All right, so I'm going to do pink for my, we'll do horizontal rectangles. And I'm okay with them being not like super full. If they kind of feather out, that's fine with me. I gotta be careful and not to get it in the other squares. I guess if I do a little bit, that's not a big deal. It's gonna get partially covered up, so it's not like, it's almost like reverse plaid on the bottom. There's gonna be a lot of color on this layout, which is fine. Using these smaller brushes is like painting. It's fun. It's fun. So working on the purple. We'll see how this turns out. Maybe it'll be too wild. I don't know. I think it will be wild, but I don't think it'll be too wild. It'll be very colorful. Let's just say that. All right. Last green. And then the reveal. I'm gonna wash all these brushes. I think that looks pretty cool. All right, let's get this glued down so we can see what this thing looks like all together. All right, let me grab the cut file and let me go wash this stuff off and then we'll start assembling. All right, so I splattered these with water and then picked it up so they would oxidize just to give it a little bit more of a mixed media look. I like that. Finished backing my beautiful cut file. I cut my photo down to 4 inches and matted it on the purple and the green. And this is just gonna get tucked right here. So now I've been just trying to figure out what I want to do for a title. This yellow center is an old, I think it's a little yellow bicycle, possibly. I don't think it's a basic gray. Might be that too. It's an old scrap I had. Yeah. Might be basic gray. Might be my mind's eye as well. I can't remember. Did that for the center of the flowers. So this is what it's going to look like right now. I've been toying with the sticker sheet and trying to figure out what I want to do for a title. I probably will scatter some stickers around. But I thought what would be fun, the only thing I don't like is that it's dark blue, but honestly, I don't think it matters. I'm going to do Wild and Free. These are some Dear Lizzie stickers. Well, I had taken the hello off to see if that would work. Because these hearts match this collection quite well. So I'm going to grab these 2 hearts. And we're going to do this Wild and Free as our title. Use up some of my stickers. And then I can reduce these down to 1 sheet, which is exciting. Okay. Trying to figure out a really good title. I really like this one the best, so I think that's what we're gonna do. So I want to get this glued down, and then, yeah, but I really like the way this looks, and all the color and the cut file are doing so much. I don't feel like I need too much more. So let's, first of all, that to there, that to there. And I'm debating if I want to pop this whole thing up on foam, which I think I do. So let me get all the foam cut because that's tedious and takes forever. And I'll be back with you with that glued down and we'll get to embellishing. We're getting there. We're getting there. Got everything glued down. Let's embellish. Alright. Like this cute little bunny. And the owl and the fox. Because we're in a garden. I want... Now this is a little, sweet little baby girl line. that I'm using for my flowers. There's more than one owl, so that's good. We're going to tuck some flowers with the little bunny. Come on, little bunny, lift up. Okay, got some little bunny flowers. And blue flowers by the fox. Here, let's do cute as a button. Happy and carefree. Golden free, you're special. There we go. Okay. I think I got it. I think that's all I need. It looks pretty cute. I'm gonna get these bunny ears stuck down. I love this floral cluster. I made it bigger, but I just love it. So there you go. Go check it out in the shop. It's been there for a while. There's new releases yesterday, so make sure you go check those out. Today in the US, there's new releases. And yeah, check out the Facebook group. Fun stuff, lots of good inspiration. I will probably journal a little bit, just right down here on the bottom or something. But yeah, there you have it. Thanks for watching, you guys. Bye.